Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to make a chain release on my gate hardware. So I was using string before, but obviously string doesn't last very long. So to get something a little more permanent, I got some of this brass ball chain, and then that's number 10, and these are brass ball chain connectors, number 10 connectors, and some key rings. Now the key rings, I would like to have stainless steel. I'm not sure if these are or not, but we'll see. And so what we're going to do, the ball chain connector like this on here. So what you do is you slide it into the hole, and you can sometimes pull it through, and sometimes you need a pair of pliers here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this here, but I'm going to pull it through and squeeze it in basically with the pliers. So there it is. Okay, now once I have that done, and take my key ring, and I'm going to put my key ring through. Attempt to put my key ring through. There we go. Slide that around. Okay, so my key ring is on, and then I grab another key ring on the other side and take my key ring, and I put my key ring on this. Alright, so my chain holds on to that with the key ring. Then I have an eye bolt up here. I run this through the eye bolt on the other side. And then I take my other key ring. So here's my eye bolt that I just sunk into my post. Take the other key ring and attempt to thread this in here. There we go. Now, because of the key rings, you can't pull it through. So it won't get stuck, and it'll slide back and forth relatively easy. Alright, so let's try it out. Close the gate, grab my key ring, open the gate. So nice. So even though right now it's up, when I close the gate, that brings it down, and you can open it easy from the other side. So anyway, that's it. That's just a simple thing to use for your gate hardware, and it should last a while, a lot longer than the string anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching.